Happy Saturday. That's 2 weekend vlogs in a row, I guess. I guess I'm on a roll. So I just made myself a detox tea. Oh gosh, I hope it's not like, it's from Trader Joe's. I'm not promoting any like weird diet products. But anyway, we are doing a brand shoot today. I am doing a brand shoot. Norris is going to take the photos for me. And I'm actually running around a little bit chaotically because time just snuck up on me. So we rented a studio from 3 to 7 and it is 12:30-ish right now. And I have no idea what I'm wearing. I have my Rent the Runway stuff in here. This is the best blazer of all time. I really want to buy it. I just rented it again. This is a Victoria Beckham blazer, fun blazer dress. So anyway, I'm just gonna put all this stuff together and get myself ready. Okay, so I stopped vlogging because things got really hectic and I have arrived at the location. I made a little lunch. When I do like a photo shoot, I like to eat really lean that day. I'm always in this sweatsuit when I vlog, so I apologize for that. You guys are probably so irritated of seeing it. But I'll show you around the location a little bit. This is actually where I took my podcast cover photo as well. It's a really beautiful space. Norris just went to grab us some coffee and water for me. And then we're gonna get started. I'm gonna get dressed, obviously. I'm not gonna wear this sweatsuit in my pictures again. So there's a little kitchenette in here, which is nice. So, you know, heat up some food or whatever. I think they do events here during normal times too. And then this is like the prop room. So we can pick from any of these, you know, chairs and things like that, backdrops. We didn't shoot in here last time or shoot with any of this stuff last time. So I might try some of that out. And then like all of these different little, you know, things. Yeah, we can kind of lay some of these out on the table, which I'm really glad because I forgot to bring a lot of my own. More chairs back here and then like a bathroom to get ready in. And I like this space because she has a garment rack on there. So I'm actually gonna go do that now. That's cute. Grab my garment bag and unload this puppy. Here's look number 1, just a cash look. I think we're gonna get some B-roll, like some video B-roll and just like some lifestyle shots. I wanna get a really good headshot as well, just to use like on LinkedIn and stuff. But yeah, I feel like for first shots, I like to do more body shots, lifestyle shots, because my face takes a while to kind of like warm up, you know? Like the first smiles always end up looking so like forced. So I'm gonna do my lipstick, powder my face, and hopefully Norris will be back, you know, soon after I'm done with that.
Oh, she's gonna sit it down.
Gotta be honest with you guys, I'm really not feeling this. I'm so hungry and I want to just do nothing. We've shot one outfit, that's it. And I'm over it. Snacking. Norris, what do you think about taking a shot of me in this outfit on this chair? Ooh, thumbnail. Them jeans is some bull.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
I had to build a vlog that story. You guys. The last time we shot here, we shot some photos and I had jeans on. Yeah, they were just normal jeans, wouldn't you say, Norris?
I don't even remember.
They were just, I'll put the picture actually on the screen. I got this comment from somebody I don't know, it wasn't like a friend like making a joke, and they wrote, "Them jeans is some bull." What does that mean? I was so self-conscious picking out jeans this morning, and also none of my jeans fit. So like even more self-conscious, because who fits their jeans from pre-2020? Nobody. If you do, tell me the secrets. Norris is raising his hand over
I
there.
do. I fit all my jeans from 2020.
What are your secrets? Oh, you're a man. Dr. Man.
Yeah.
All right, and that is a wrap. It is getting really cold in here, and we are just super hungry. We technically have, I think, I don't know, half hour left in this space, but we are hitting the road. Just double checking the bathroom to make sure I didn't leave anything in here. Yeah, so just make sure everything is put up, and that's how it's done. So this place, like I said, it's called Tribe. It's in Warren. But if you're ever looking to do like quick little brand shoots for your personal brand, there's a website called, I think it's called peerspace.com. Not sponsored, I wish. You can rent like different office spaces and cool like filming locations and photo shoot spaces on there. I've also done Airbnbs. One of my favorite shoots that I've done, oh, Norris is ready. Let me hurry up and hop out. It was in an Airbnb actually. So, and where do you go?
All right.
And do you know what time it is, guys? Do you know what time it is? Tell them what time it is.
What?
I said, tell them what time it is.
6:20.
Thai tea with boba and oat milk. Hello from future me. I quit vlogging after the photo shoot, and it's now, I think it's like a week and a half later. So let's talk. I just got done filming a couple of videos, and this past week has been nuts. And I'm actually getting ready to relaunch my signature course. We're changing the name of it, but it was called A Journey Social. It was my course all about freelance social media management. We're like almost there. I took time off of YouTube this week so that I could really just work on shooting that content. And I wanted to talk a little bit about that because I've actually been feeling some feelings of like FOMO and just not being good enough and all of that. Just like can't hang with the kids. Like I'm a couple days away from 30, y'all, and I'm just like, should I be doing this anymore? Like, what am I doing with my life? You have to make strategic decisions, right? Like, as much as I wanted to post on YouTube, I've been consistent on YouTube 3 days a week since like November. It just was not the smart business decision this week. I needed to take a break for my sanity, but also just to get stuff done. Do what you can do and do what is going to drive the business forward. Do what's going to move the needle for you. Sometimes it is going to be YouTube. Sometimes it might be a TikTok, but sometimes you need to put your head down and get to work on the big foundational things. So that's what I did. I'm back kind of, but I also want to let you know that the schedule might be a little bit wonky here and there for the next, really for May, because I'm getting married. And this has been another thing that's just kind of, I don't know, things just happen really fast. And I'm literally have meetings up until like 2 days before my wedding. And I just really, the wedding is small. We have 24 people there. Everybody's vaxxed, you know, as far as I know. So just for the record. So it's not really about like the planning or getting things done or having this big bachelorette party, which I'm not doing. But it's just about, I want to be able to soak up the time. I want to be able to soak up seeing the few family that can come, the few friends that we are able to have, and each other, and just enjoying the moment. And life goes by so fast when you're doing this kind of work. It's kind of scary. I mean, life goes by fast for everybody, but sometimes I'm like, what did I even do last week? I'm not going to say the date of my wedding just for privacy reasons, but if you follow me on Instagram, you will be the first to know, the first to see when it all happens. Okay, and then the last thing I wanted to talk to you about. Okay, that money mistake. This is not financial advice. Let me put that disclaimer at the beginning of this section. So where do I start? Where do I start? I didn't want to say all of the details in that first video because I like just wanted to make sure I knew how much I owed and that everything was taken care of before going online. It just seemed like a smart thing to do. I don't know. So basically there was a bookkeeping mistake where one of my revenue streams was miscategorized. was supposed to be categorized as income because it was income, and it was categorized as a transfer. Should I just say it? It was a $40,000 revenue stream. So it was, you know, substantial. It wasn't like, oh, it was just like $200. Like, I mean, you should still be honest. If that happens, I'd fix it, but I wouldn't panic about it. But I was like, okay, that's like, maybe we should move on this like quickly. And what had happened was, I was just pretty unhappy with how my accountant responded to it. Every other accountant that I have had up until this point has always, they've hopped on a call with me when my tax return was ready, and they walked through like everything. Like they would say like, okay, you had this much in expenses, you had this much in revenue, this was your profit. Like, and they would talk me through things on a call. They would be like, oh, what was this business expense? Not for every single one, but kind of, I don't know. They would like help me through it. That's what everybody else had done. And I'd caught mistakes in that way before. I'd been like, oh wait, my spreadsheet says my revenue was this, your QuickBooks says this, where is the gap? And then I would be able to fix it. Apparently this accountant doesn't do that, I guess. I mean, I'm paying like 10 times more than I had paid any of my other accountants before. And I was like, but I'm getting less service? Like, I'm so confused. I'm confused. And this is not obviously I'm not going to say who it is, and this is not an attack on them. I am taking responsibility for not reading the fine print, you know? I think this was a lesson for me, and I didn't fully comprehend what the service was that I was getting. And if that's how they do business, that's absolutely fine, but that's not what I needed. I really, even more than an accountant, I needed a bookkeeper. So for you guys, 1, a bookkeeper will help you manage your month-to-month books. They will go into your QuickBooks or whatever you use, and they will say, oh, you had an Amazon purchase. Was this a business expense? It was on your business card. Can you confirm it was a business expense? Whatever. They will do all that stuff for you. They would have caught, oh, why are you getting $40,000 of transfers? Is that income? Is that something else? Can you explain what this transfer is? Is the owner's draw, like whatever. That's what a bookkeeper does. So word to the wise, if that's what you're looking for, and if you're not sure like how to categorize certain things, you probably need a bookkeeper. This is not financial advice. Let me put that disclaimer at the beginning of this section. An accountant or CPA, they will just file your taxes at the end of the year and maybe every quarter, depending on their services. Some accountants do offer bookkeeping services as well. Some don't. Apparently the package I was on did not. And it would have been $4,000 a month to get a bookkeeper with my accountant. And I was like, that seems like a lot. So yeah, it's all resolved now. I had to file an amended tax return and pay more money. The thing that I did do immediately is I got a bookkeeper. This is not an ad, not at all, but I did reach out actually to my mentor. She recommended this company called Elevated, is that what it's called? I think it's called Elevated Finance. They work exclusively with online business owners. Wow, okay, my gut was just hanging out. So yeah, they are able to get into my books every month, give me advice, give me reports, all of that good stuff. So I'm super excited about that. I'll have their link down below. They do have a referral program. This is not like by any means sponsored, but if you want to let them know, and if you book a call with them that I sent to you, you can just type my name into your discovery form, and I think I get maybe a little something for it. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you to kind of wrap up that story. It wasn't fun, but we got it taken care of. Just stay calm. You'll figure stuff out. You will make mistakes. That's part of business. It's not gonna be my last mistake. You know, you live and you learn. And what I learned from that situation is shop around. This is actually something else my mentor told me. She was like, whenever you're hiring anybody, whether it's an accountant, whether it's a housekeeper for if you have a brick and mortar office someday, whether it's anybody, interview at least 3 companies, you know, talk to at least 3 different companies before you say yes. Because after looking it up, the accountant I was paying for was at the top of the band, like the what do you call it, like the salary band or whatever, the normal amount to pay for that service, the very, very top. And that's probably not the best choice for my business. My taxes are also pretty simple for the most part. I'm the only owner of the business and stuff, so I probably didn't need all of that. And so if I would have interviewed 3 different people, I probably would have found somebody in the middle who could have helped me at a more affordable rate, or helped me at that same rate, but offered me, you know, the services that I truly needed, and really got into my head and understood like, well, do you do your books every month? Do you do a good job? Do you feel confident about that? You know, and maybe upsold me on something else. So anyway, that's what I learned from it. There's always something you can learn from it. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. We will be back to normal videos this week. I do have a video coming out on Wednesday and Friday for you. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little hodgepodge vlog. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what's new in your life. I really, really love hearing from you all in the comments, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.